Hello, everyone. So, my name is Tess Kabihi, and welcome to another guide for your plate number 5. So, what I'm going to be presenting to you is just only figure number 2 because I believe, as an architect myself, I believe that you can do the figure 1 quite easily. And so, I will only just be guiding you on how to make this figure 2. So let's start. So what you're going to do is you're going to create a line, anywhere you like, the length of 57. Then you're going to create another line, length of 29, another line with a length of 39, cherries, line, length of 39, and the last line would be with length 28. So what you're going to do is you're going to align this at the very center. So pick the midpoint of your biggest line, and you're just going to um, drag everything uh, to the center. No, no. You're actually going to drag first this lines, and then you're going to offset it by how much is the height here? By 15. So you're going to offset it by 15. Then you're going to click your original line. You're going to delete it. And same goes with the other lines. Offset this line by 40. And then again, delete the initial line. And for the last one, offset this by 85. And so now what you have here are the initial structure of your figures. So what you're going to do is you're going to create this line right here that guides the center of your circle, which is with length 55 from this line. So another line with height 55. Wait. Line with a length of 55. So now you have your line. You're going to create your two circles with diameters of 24 and 18. So circle D 18, and then another circle with D 20. What was that? 24. So now you have your circles. Now, what you're going to do is we're going to create this figure right here. So it's quite easy, making that figure. Just put, what do you call this? Underline na po. Kumot lang, ano, dagan kayo siya lines. But with a degree of 15, mirror that to the other side. We like mirror. Then also the bottom part, still with the 15 deg. 15 deg. Mirror that also. Uh, yep. Because 15 plus 15 guys is 30 mga so, I don't know if nani siya shortcut kay mano-mano dyan siya. But, So for this part right here, dapat naka 60 angle siya. Para, because this is a 90-degree angle. And mirror that, and then rotate this, rotate CO, ano, rotate, specify base point, CO. Then you have your figure. Now what you're going to do is you're going to trim the areas. Am I right? So TR, you're just going to trim down these areas and trim, 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 trim. We're just going to keep trimming. And now look at that. You have your figure. So for the next step, since makita man nato diri nga 9 ra, diba? So 9 is siya. And 9 pa ni siya. So what you're going to do is drag this line to about 48. Kay ang entire line na nato is 57, right? So para ma-achieve natong line nga 9 is itong minusan ng 48. So now you have your line, small line with a length of 9. Just going to mirror that. Voila! You have your feet. And so you're going to connect everything. Like connect it here, then connect it here. And then what else? You can connect it here and also here. So now for this part, you're just going to create a vertical line with a height of 40. And you can mirror that. Mas madali ang iyong trabaho. Yes, and now you have it. You have your entire structure, and the last step in making these, the last step in making these is filleting, di ba? But before you fillet, um, make sure i-DLI sa ninyo ang kaninga line and kaninga line because once mag-fillet na mo, is lahi ang iyahang ma-measure, di ba? So, DLI lang sa daan. Then, also here, para dili kay ma-mess up inig fillet ninyo. After fillet ninyo niya, dira pa mo mag-DLI. So, we're just going to fillet this with a, wait lang, fillet with a radius of 10 and fillet radius 10. And for the top part, you're going to fillet also with a radius of just 5. Fillet with a radius of 5. See that na-fuck up na siya. But pwede raman nato ma-adjust, as per what we did before. We can just type 28. Walay mabuhat si mama. Anyway, so your figure is done, and what's left is for you to just have the dimensions. What the fuck is that? Dim rad. What is that? Dim rad. Dim rad. Dim rad. See that? And so that's the whole figure, guys. I hope you learned something. I hope you will figure out figure number 1. So again, this is Architect Tas Kabihe, and thank you for watching. The deadline for submission for plate number 5 will be on Saturday, 11:59 p.m. So thank you.